Hi there! Welcome to Wooclap, your easy-to-use interactive polling tool. Are you looking for a way to quickly and easily ask questions of your students or participants in a class or a training session? I'll show you how to create a poll within Wooclap in mere minutes. Let's get started. First, log into your Wooclap account. If you don't have one, it's free to sign up on our website. From your account interface, click Create Event on the top left button. When the event interface opens, the first thing I'm going to do is rename my event. Course Review October 1. I'm also going to personalize the event code on this event. Class Poll. Now I'll click on New Question over here and select the poll question type, which is up here at the top. Our polling question allows you to ask a question with multiple options to choose from and no correct answer. Today, I want to ask my group, do you want to review last week's session? The answers I will put are pretty straightforward. Yes, no. Now I'll click Save here at the bottom. When my session begins, I'll display the Wooclap instructions to my group by clicking Display next to How to Participate. My participants can connect to the event either by scanning the QR code with their mobile device or by entering the event code here on Wooclap's website. Once my students have connected to the Wooclap event, I can click on the arrow button to display my question to the group. Once I've received their answers, I maybe want to ask them a follow-up question that I hadn't planned on before the session. With Wooclap, you can quickly add another question from the display interface by clicking the little plus sign at the bottom of the screen. You have a handful of options that have been configured for quick question creation. In this instance, I'm going to ask my students what topic in particular they want to review, so I'm going to click on Open Question. Once my question is displayed, I ask my participants aloud what topics they want to review. In this case, let's assume I am teaching a French class to non-French speakers. What topics would you like to review before our next exam? Wooclap's quick question refraction doesn't allow you to actually type the question while you're teaching, but you can add it later, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second. Once I've received all of the answers that my students have sent in, I can exit the presenter mode. And then I can go back to the interface in order to modify the quick question I added so that I'll remember what I asked them. I can just click Edit here and click Save. The quick question that I added during the event appears in my list of questions, and it's also added to the event report, where I can see the questions I asked along with the answers I received. In order to see the report, click Settings and scroll down here to Report. And there you have it. It's that easy to organize a quick poll in class with Wooclap. We hope that you enjoyed this video, and we hope to see you next time.